girl you are. What a sweet girl you are, Bella. Oh, my little girl. She's so precious. Yeah. Mm. You're so loved, Bella. You're so loved. She is so sweet. She's so trusting. Sometimes she just comes over to me and like just falls into me. Like she just collapses. Like she has so much trust and love for me. And I for her. She's so precious. She's a good baby. Smell this, Bella. No eating it. Do you like the paint smell? No, it doesn't have a smell. It's washed.
Oh, really?
You're so sweet, baby.
Yeah, Gaffy has that problem. We switched to 10. The computer didn't work well. That's why we reversed it to 7.
Paint your face. Paint your face. Oh, my little love bug. You're so relaxed. So trusting. You know, God's amazing because, like, she was sneezing and had messed up eyes, and then I prayed that God would heal her, and He did, y'all. She just cleared up the next day, completely gone. In fact, she used to have these black spots right here on her nose. It would always accumulate, and it was like boogers, and I would get rid of it, and they would come back. But after she had the sneezing and the runny nose and the eyes, upper respiratory thing, and I prayed, and the next day it was gone, I noticed the boogers stopped too. That's God. That is God. And also, she had diarrhea before a couple weeks ago, and it was bad. We took her to the vet, but they needed a stool sample, so we were supposed to come back with a stool sample, but we never had to because it just stopped. God is a good God. He truly is a healer. I don't know why I haven't gotten healed in some ways, but He is a good healer. He is a healer. Praise God. She's such a comfort to me. She's so precious. Sometimes she crawls under the blanket. I'll show you. Come here, Bella. Come under the blanket. Yeah, come under the blanket. Go under the blanket. Go on, go on. Look. She likes it under the blanket. I'll be laying down and she'll come under the blanket. She's so sweet. She's so precious. I love your little girl. She's such a comfort to me.